Hi, my name is Boodaghians. This is the look I've created for Florentina for the new bedhead campaign. Take a parting from the high recession on both sides to below the low crown, following the curvature of the head. Subdivide the section into two and secure with TIGI PRO Sectioning Clips. Begin by taking a horizontal parting at the nape and apply Formula 1 from the roots through to the mid-lengths and ends. Continue until the back section and the sides are complete. Progress onto the top section, take a horizontal parting and apply Formula 1 to the roots and the mid-lengths, leaving the ends uncoloured. Continue until the top sections are complete. Process the colour for up to 20 minutes, rinse, remove and condition with the recommended aftercare.